Community leaders in Lagos have advocated the need for more gatekeepers to follow up on response mechanisms and to join in the effort to combat cases of gender-based violence across Nigeria. Kemi Foladiemo has more.
Among the stakeholders here are community and religious leaders who are called gatekeepers. They are building their capacity to be able to adequately respond to cases of gender-based violence in their respective domains.
For instance, about 2-3 weeks ago, we have an incident in the town. We have some secondary school boys raped their counterparts. The Oba of the town asked the DPO, requested the DPO to go and charge them to court immediately. So we did that. So gradually, people are getting used to the system.
If we must take back that negative cultural social norm and build up the image of women and girls particularly, because they're the ones who are most affected by gender-based violence, and have people treated as equals, as humans. We all have blood running in our systems. Leaders of faith and culture hold that key.
Through previous engagements with the gatekeepers, action plans have been executed, including the creation of bylaws.
For us to end gender-based violence, you know that the traditional rulers, particularly when they name something as a taboo, it remains a taboo. So when these traditional rulers pronounce as taboo violence against women, then that's where we would have begun the journey.
Or if somebody don't understand there is a law against female genital mutilation, it's part of the social norms that they believed in. It's part of the things they practice. So, but if they know that there is a law and you educate them the implications of not abiding by that law, and they can see that this law can actually bite, you will see that everybody will sit up.
So what we expect is that this platform or this coordination forum will create the enabling environment where community leaders with more sensitization and more awareness take these promising practices back to their communities towards developing their existing bylaws and towards having existing relationship with partners such as Federal Nigeria in the states and towards in the GBV interventions that are prevalent in those areas.
The experts are also seeking more commitments to utilizing the existing mechanisms needed to tackle the lingering menace, including the nationwide implementation of the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Law. Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.